The court has ruled that the Senate should reinstate Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan. But the state, a Senate spokesperson is quoted as saying that the court has no right or jurisdiction to dictate to it what to do with an erring senator. And then the question, are the senators supposed to be above the law of Nigeria, or are the senators supposed to be the judge in their own case? I would have thought that if the Senate is not satisfied with the judgment of the case the right thing for the Senate to do is to appeal the judgment and not to take law into its own hands. But since I don't know the law, I'm asking the Nigerian Bar Association and legal luminaries to enlighten us about the issue on ground, because the Senate has not been fair to Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan since the whole hula baloo started. A senator accused the Senate President, Godswill Akpabio, of sexual harassment. And the Senate committee that should investigate the case accused her of committing certain abnormalities that were not raised before her accusation or allegation against the Senate President. So the accuser was turned into the accused and even punished by being suspended from Senate for 6 solid months. And the court is saying that 6 months of suspension is half a year, and that was too excessive. So, and that it was an illegality. If the Senate is not satisfied with that judgment, or the state has the backing of the law, then the Senate should appeal the judgment and not to take the law into its own hand. But nevertheless, I'm not a lawyer, let alone senior advocate of Nigeria, let alone a member of the Nigerian Bar Association. So we are looking to the Nigerian Bar Association and our legal luminaries in the field to throw light on this issue, because our learned people in the bar, in the universities, what is the benefit of education that cannot be used to challenge a nation? Our religious professors seem to be supporting injustices, including imposition of Islam and Christianity on Nigeria, including spending public funds to subsidize pilgrimages, despite the constitution prohibiting state religion. There shall be no state religion in any part of Nigeria, expressly stated. Some people are now finding one excuse or another to say it's not clear. What is not clear? It's too clear that there shall be no state religion. So what aspect of the constitution are Nigeria's rulers following to be imposing Islam and Christianity on the nation, are making the two religions Nigeria's body rather than the body of the religionists. I'm using this case of the Senate taking the law into its own hand and saying the court has no jurisdiction over what the Senate does with its erring members. What is the benefit of the court? What is the purpose of the court? But in order not to overstep my bounds, I'm calling on our legal luminaries to guide us.